everyone, so I hope you're well and having an incredible day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with the LUSH Mother's Day range for 2019. I really can't wait to go through all these products with you, so without further ado I'm going to jump right in and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm going to go through all these products in no particular order. I'm literally just going to pick them up and go through them. So the first one is the Morty and Sympathy Bath Bomb, which is the cutest bath bomb I think I have ever seen in my entire life. This is £7.95 and it looks like a little teapot. Like, what more could you want in a bath bomb, you know? This smells, I don't know how I feel about it. It has like a slight sour scent to it, like almost like sweets, but it also is very floral at the same time. But I just love the way this looks. Honestly, I would just buy this for how this looks because it looks adorable. I will say though that I've noticed that LUSH prices have been going up recently. Am I the only one that's noticed that? Like, I feel like before this would have been like £4.95 and now it's £7.95, which is a lot of money. So let me know down below if you've noticed that as well. But yeah, this is honestly so cute and I just think that you just need to buy one because it's the most adorable thing I have ever seen. The next product is also a bath bomb and this is the Floating Flower Bath Bomb. This one is £5.95, which is a little bit more reasonable, but I just don't know why they're so expensive. There's a car outside my window, I do apologise, bear with me. Yeah, I don't know why all these bath bombs seem to be going up in price. I remember when I first started getting into LUSH, bath bombs were like £3.50, so I have no idea what's going on. But this is absolutely adorable. It has a little flower on the top, which I can't tell what it's made from. I think it's made out of soap, I'm not too sure. In terms of the scent though, it's a very subtle sweet scent, if that makes sense. Vanilla-y maybe, but it smells really good anyway. It's really light and subtle, so if you know anybody that likes subtle scents, then they'll probably really like this one. I think it's a little bit lavendery, I'm not too sure. But that smells really good, so I definitely give this one a go. The next product is another bath bomb, and this is the Lemon Butterfly Bath Bomb. How cute is that? Like, I can't get over it. This is absolutely adorable. The fact that it's a butterfly, can't get over it. And also, there's 2 more butterflies in this collection. I'm just freaking obsessed. This one is £5.95. This one is a very strong fragrance. It's like lemon and orange, so it's really kind of sour sweet, if that makes sense. Super fruity. But I do really love this one, and again, just look how cute it is. I can't get over it. Next up is the Mamma Mia Body Scrub. Now this product, I just love body scrubs in general. I just really can't shower or have a bath without scrubbing my skin. I just feel like I'm not clean, you know what I mean? But this product is so cute. Firstly, look at that. Like, look how nice that is. It is the most beautiful pink colour. In terms of scent though, it's not overly strong, like it's almost vanilla-y, like floral, I don't know. I'm not too sure about the scent, but the colour just kind of sells it for me, like I love it because it's pink. But yeah, this is really nice. In terms of price, I believe the 300 gram pot, which is this size, is £10.95. So it's not the cheapest product, but it's the same price as just more than one bath bomb, do you know what I mean? So this will last me a month, kind of works out a little bit cheaper. But yeah, definitely give this a go if you like body scrubs. And I just hit myself in the face. Yay. Another bath product is the Wild Butterfly Bath Bomb, and again this one is £5.95, so they're all the same price. This one has a really light scent to it. It's not overly strong, almost smells slightly citrusy though, but it's more herbally, if that makes sense. Still really nice, still such a beautiful bath bomb, and I think this whole idea with the butterflies is just so cute, and I kind of want more, you know? So LUSH, if you're ever listening, bring out more cute little butterflies like this. I absolutely love it. And again, this one is like an orange and yellow. Super pretty. Love that. I just checked on myself. This is £4.95 and I can't remember whether I said the other one was £4.95, but they're £4.95, not £5.95. Just thought I'd let you know. Next up is the Marigold Flower Bath Bomb. This one is £5.95 and it's orange and yellow and has a tiny little note on the inside, which I'm so excited to see what happens when you put it in the water. This one has a really sort of typical bath bomb smell. Like, I can't really pinpoint it, but I've definitely smelt it before. A little bit sweet, a little bit kind of floral, almost slightly lemony. I don't know whether it's just because it's touched all the others, but it smells really good and I just absolutely love the whole idea of this. I think it's going to be super pretty in the water, so yeah, really like that one. Similarly to that one, we have the Jasmine Flower Bath Bomb, and again this is £5.95 and is green and white and has a tiny little yellow inside, which I'm really excited to see what it says. I do not like the smell of that, I'm not gonna lie. What is that? It smells, no. It smells like a mixture of a garden and Play-Doh. Like, I'm not too sure how I feel about this one. If you have tried this, let me know what you think, but yeah, not a fan of that. No. Sticking with the same theme, this is the Chamomile Flower Bath Bomb, and again is £5.95 just like the others. This one again has the little note on the inside, which I can't pull out, see what it says, but I guess I'll have to wait and see. Scent wise, this is probably my favourite so far. It's really subtle, really chamomile-y obviously, but like really relaxing, like it's not an overly strong scent, but I do really like this one. This one is blue and has a white flower on it, and I think it would just look stunning, so yeah, that's definitely my favourite so far. The next product is the soap for this range, and this is the Raspberry Milkshake soap. Look how cute this looks. I can't get over it. Like, this is absolutely adorable. Very similar to the Valentine's Day soap, which was the strawberry. This one is the raspberry, and to be honest with you, I'm very excited to have them both on my soap dish. Like, that will look so cute. This one smells literally like fresh raspberries, but almost like, you know, like the sweet version of a raspberry, like that kind of smell, like synthetic, really sour, sweet raspberry scent. But I love the way this looks. I love the way it's like got the bobbly bits on it. It's just really like satisfying, and it just looks really, really cute. So definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. In terms of price, I'm just going to check. This one is £7.95, so definitely more expensive in terms of soap, but I don't know whether that's Lush's kind of general price nowadays. I'm not sure. Let me know down below if you do know, but yeah, this one is really, really cute. The next product is what I believe to be the only bubble bath from this range. I could be completely wrong. Let me know down below, but this is the Girl Power bubble bar. This one smells really, really familiar again. This one is £5.95, but scent wise I've definitely smelled, wait, I could be wrong, but this smells very, very similar to the Ladybird bubble bar, which they haven't brought out this year, which I'm actually gutted about because it was like my favourite thing ever. That smells very familiar to the Ladybird bubble bar from last year. Let me know down below if you work at Lush and if you know any of that, because yeah, that smells incredible. Really, really like that, and you could definitely get at least 4 baths out of it because it's basically half of my head, so yeah. Love that one, 10 out of 10. The shower bomb from this range is the Strawberry Hill Shower Bomb. This one smells exactly like Defluff shaving soap. You need to smell it. It is the best smell ever. Like, I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, this is the product I could eat in this range. Like, I always say I could eat something. This is what I'd eat. Like, this smells edible. Not too sure how I feel about the shower bombs yet though. Like, I just don't really get it, and I don't really feel like I need it. These are £2.75 a go as well, so not the cheapest way of having a bath, but cheaper than a bath bomb, I guess. But yeah, I do like the smell. Not too sure about the product, so I will let you guys know how I feel about that one. Lastly, from the Butterfly Bath Bomb collection is the Rose Butterfly. This is my favourite in terms of how it looks. Like, it's so pretty. Definitely 2 of my favourite colours into one, and again, this is £4.95 as well. Scent wise, I think this is my favourite. Like, it's floral, fruity, and like sweet. Like, it's kind of got all the smells I like into one, and I love how this looks. Like, it just sells it for me, and I really wish I bought more of these because it looks so good. But yeah, let me know down below if you've given this a go yet and what your favourite out of the 3 butterflies are, but this one is definitely my favourite. And last but not least is the Iris Flower Bath Bomb. Again, this is the one with the little note on the inside, and this one is £5.95. It's a pink bath bomb with a purple flower, and scent wise that smells like a toilet cleaner. Like, I'm not a fan of that. What is that? I have to look at the ingredients of that, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that is gross. Like, I can't even smell it. Iris root powder, bergamot oil, lime, and neroli. That literally smells like toilet cleaner. Like, I just have to put that down. That is gross. I'm not a fan of that. But yeah, sorry to end on a bad note, but that is disgusting. Never smelling that again. No, thank you. So that is everything for the Mother's Day range of 2019. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your favourite product is from the range. And also don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already, because we are so close to hitting 10k. Like, we're 1,000 and something away, but like, I just really want us to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. Like, that's my ultimate goal, so that'd be amazing if we could do that. Let me know down below if you have bought anything from the range, or if you're planning on buying anything from the range. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you haven't, so you never miss a video, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!